Importante at mahalaga to. Ang tatay ko ay namatay dahil sa colon, ileum, cancer of the ileum, nung siya'y batang-bata pa lamang at 69 years old. Genetically, kami ay kandidato at marami din sa ating mga kababayan ang hindi nila alam ay maaaring kandidato rin sila. Rason para magpatingin, tiyakin na ito'y maiiwasan habang maaga pa lamang at hindi pa nagiging malaking problema sa ating kalusugan. I've always been doing it at St. Luke's since I turned 40. Mula nung nag-40 ako, St. Luke's lang naman talaga yung pinupuntahan ko kaugnay sa procedure na ito at iba pang procedure kapag kinakailangan ko magpatingin o magpagaling. There is nothing to be afraid of. This is something that you should do in order to complete your preventive care, so to speak, and in order to identify and find out if indeed there is something wrong with you at the earliest possible time. Early detection is always the key with respect to any disease or with respect to any hindrance or encumbrance within your body. Without being healthy, you cannot do anything. Whether it's work, whether being with your family, whether doing the things you love. If you are not healthy, you cannot possibly enjoy the things you need to do and the things that you want to do and the things you love doing with the people that you love. Definitely, it's only St. Luke's for me from the beginning. Tuwing may kailangan ako, tuwing may nangyayari o nagaganap sa aking kalusugan at ng mga miyembro ng aking pamilya, St. Luke's lamang ang aming dinudulugan, pinupuntahan, hindi lamang dahil buo ang tiwala namin sa St. Luke's, pero dahil din siyempre, nandyan ang pinakamagagaling na eksperto sa larangan ng medisina at paggamot at paghanap ng lunas sa anumang karamdaman. Preventive healthcare is cheaper. Preventive healthcare avoids inconveniences and the pain and the hurt. You should always have a regular checkup.